Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start with a strong foundation. In this video, I will explain how to self-study AP Chemistry. Begin by thoroughly understanding the AP Chemistry curriculum and the exam format. This includes knowing the 9 units of study and the 2 main sections of the exam, multiple choice and free response. Gather all necessary resources, such as a college-level chemistry textbook, online learning platforms, and official college board practice materials. Finally, create a realistic study schedule, dedicating at least 5 to 7 hours per week to cover all topics effectively. Once you have your plan, dive into the content. Systematically work through each of the 9 units, prioritizing a deep conceptual understanding over rote memorization. Actively take detailed notes and create flashcards for important terms, definitions, and chemical formulas. Solving a wide variety of practice problems from your textbook and online resources is crucial. Aim to complete at least 50 to 75 problems per unit to ensure mastery. Consistent practice is key to success. Regularly review all previously learned material to reinforce your retention and connect different concepts. Take several full-length AP Chemistry practice exams under timed conditions, simulating the actual test environment. This will help you manage your time effectively. After each practice exam, thoroughly analyze your mistakes. Understand why you got questions wrong and dedicate extra study time to those specific weak areas. As the exam approaches, refine your preparation. Dedicate your final weeks to reviewing challenging topics and memorizing all essential equations and constants. Ensure you get adequate rest and maintain a healthy routine in the days leading up to the exam. On exam day, arrive at the testing center well in advance, equipped with 2 to 3 sharpened number 2 pencils, a good eraser, and an approved graphing calculator. Stay calm and confident.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.